The financial crisis has highlighted the need for more comprehensive information in corporate reporting so that investors and other stakeholders can have a clear sense of the risks and opportunities that the company faces. Paul Druckman is Chief Executive Officer of the International Integrated Reporting Council.
What are the main benefits and challenges that will come with integrated reporting?
It's quite a challenging question in the first place, but let me try to set a scene around this. And we talk about it in our discussion paper in that the world has changed and reporting needs to as well. Now that's not specifically the challenges and benefits, but it is the scene that we're talking about. Now, at the moment we have a reporting regime which is voluminous, compliance-driven, and narrow, right? In that it is predominantly focused on financial reporting, and is now becoming, there is a movement towards sustainability reporting as well. But the fear that we all have is even that sustainability reporting will become more and more compliance-driven. And so some of our challenges are around trying to change mindsets, so that when people consider what a report should be from a company, are they thinking in the traditional way, or are they actually thinking in today's world? And that comes both from what are they expecting from a report, as well as what it delivers to them. And if you don't mind, I'll just quote from Lord Hastings. And he said that a change in reporting is occurring that will correctly calculate the real assets of a business. And integrated reporting offers this framework for the future. And I think that's pretty fundamental in what we are dealing with. There's another interesting piece of work that was done again by KPMG, which was talked about the mismatch in reporting. And that mismatch is around the strategy and the strategy, the forecasts and plans, and the past performance. And whereas traditional reporting, as I would call it, is very much focused on the past performance, the future needs to be focused much more on the strategy. And I think that the key challenge we have is to change that mindset of auditors, of finance directors, of boards, of investors. We need to show that that this is not just more reporting, this is improved and different reporting. In terms of the other sides, I mean, there's the whole compliance and regulatory regime. So if we tried to implement integrated reporting in many jurisdictions, in Spain as an example, it just can't be done today, in my view, because there needs to be changes, in the underlying system. We need to get there, but it is quite a challenge to get there.
What are the expected outcomes from the International Integrated Reporting Council?
We need to create an awareness that makes a sort of inevitability that integrated reporting will happen. And I think that is something that we can do quite actively with the help of KPMG and our council and many others. The other side of that is the creation of the integrated reporting framework. At the moment, a lot of the feedback we get is it's a great concept, but what is it? What is the product? What are you expecting from us? And over the next year, and certainly over the next 2 years, we will, develop a product that people can actually get hold of and say, right, this is really what people need.
How companies and professionals could participate in this interesting process?
We need companies to be part of the pilot program. In the development of the integrated reporting framework, we're trying to do that with the participation of companies. So we're not asking companies to prepare an integrated report. We're asking companies to help us to work through how they would prepare an integrated report. And then that would lead on to the preparation of a report. On the side of the professionals, they hold a key. And what they unlock is the expertise to help clients to actually both understand and implement integrated reporting. So the audit profession, the consulting profession, and advisors are the people who not only can do those two things I described, but also can create the awareness, talking to their clients and saying, are you aware of this coming? How is it going to affect you in the future?